Okay, here we go with the disassembly of the iMac to replace the hard drive. Now, according to YouTube, I have to soften the glue around the screen. And as Tina's gone away and she's taken a hairdryer away for 2 weeks, so just kidding. I'm counting on the fact that the glue is old enough that it'll be soft and just come apart with a sharp knife. First thing to do is to remove the stand and the screen adjustment mechanism. One cork does wonders. Right, and because it's Apple, we all know how expensive they are, you'll need your credit card. Very important. So, carefully sliding in the knife between the screen and the case. Yep, I was right about the glue. And take your credit card and wedge it in between, like so, just to separate the glass and the case. And just keep working down the screen. Cut through that glue down to the bottom. Okay, good. Now we do across the top. Be mindful of the camera in the middle there. You've got to stop before you get to it. You don't want to go straight through and cut through something. Okay, that was good. Another credit card. iMacs are real expensive. And we'll try and do the same on the other side. Taking the knife, wedging it between the screen and the casing and sliding along to cut that glue strip to separate the two halves. Okay, should have that out far enough now that I can use another credit card, hold it out a bit, and then go down the side now. Okay, I'll just finish going across the top, get any bits that I missed. Now at this point I should be careful about it leaning too far forward in case the screen falls out on me. I might put my stand adjustment back in there again. Yep. So much for the stand adjustment. Yep. Okay, that was a good catch. Almost lost my credit card. Okay, so now there are two cables back there attached to the screen. To the main board, have to detach. Okay, let's see now if I can detach those two cables without dropping anything. Oh, would you look how dusty that is? Okay, got to come off the motherboard. Okay, there's one down there, and the other one is right beside it there. Having done that, the bottom should just come out. Bending it down to try and break that seal. I'll just support that and with my knife finish cutting along the edge there to break the seal. Woohoo! One screen. Undamaged. No heat gun. Whew. But can you see how dusty that is? Look at that. Amazing. 8 years of dust. I have to put this somewhere safe where it won't break. Right, so here we are. This is the inside. Look how dusty that is. I don't know if you can see that, but it is very, very dusty. Look at that. Is it any wonder that it used to overheat and shut down? So that is very dusty. The thing is, though, it's a full-size hard disk drive, which is awesome because I have a spare one of those. 1 terabyte.